go from this to this. Alright guys, so the reason for the video is regarding the daytime running lights on my 02 Chevy Tahoe. So I saw another video on YouTube regarding this, and a gentleman put on his truck, on his SUV, this brand and model here, which was purchased on Amazon. And these are the wrong lights to use on your daytime running lights. These are it. I did my research after purchasing them, which was, you know, a mistake. Well, not really a mistake, because I am using them as reverse lights on my 02 Tahoe, which they work fine so far. They've been okay. It's been a few weeks now, and they're fine. But yes, do your research. These are not recommended for your daytime running lights. These will burn. These will burn out very fast. So I went ahead and purchased these, which are the correct ones from this company here. I'll put a link in the description, and we're gonna go ahead and install these. So it's pretty basic. I'll be showing in this video. They're pretty well packaged. They're pretty pricey. I think they were $30 each, which is, you know, pretty pricey compared to this set of 10 that I purchased on Amazon for 20 or 30. I'm not sure, can't recall. But anyways, yes, these were 30 each. I know to a lot of you it's going to be a bit pricey. I wanted to give it a try, and hopefully I can do a follow-up video on the quality. I went ahead and got the pure white. They have different color option. Again, I'll put a link in the description. They were pretty well packaged. They even sent a mask, which, you know, doesn't really matter, but just wanted to show that so you guys can see. So let's get started in installing these daytime running lights on the Tahoe. So pretty much how you're gonna get started is you pull on these, make sure they're facing forward. There's two of them, so they face forward, and you just pull out. Okay, put these to a side. Same thing with this one. Okay, put them to a side. I'm gonna sit the camera down. Hopefully we can get a good angle. And then what you do is you just pull it out, pull out your light. Get a little, and then there's two connections, obviously, for your two lights, which I'll show here. Okay, so you just lift on those tabs and pull. It's not difficult. Sometimes you have to be careful. These little plastics are really delicate. Okay, so that's that. We put this one aside. And then on this one, on the bottom one, there's a plastic tab right there. All you have to do is push in, and just pull, and it'll come out. It'll come right out. Very simple. Now you put the camera down so we can go ahead and do this. Push and pull. Okay, and that brings your light out. So right here, all you have to do is just push in that little clip. Press on this little clip here and turn. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yep, can be done. Okay, so that's your original bulb. Okay, that's the original bulb. As you can see, the socket is a little burned up because these stay on all day. So let's go ahead and remove this, and then we can All you have to do is pull. Okay, so there you go. Pretty burned up. Not that bad. I've seen worse. So now let's open the package. These new ones. And you can see here's the model number. These are 4114K. So I'm gonna say quality wise they look okay. We'll have to see. Let's go in and install these, and then same process, just reverse. Slip that one in like that. Go ahead and pull this one in like that. And as you can see, to assemble this one back on, there's a little tab right here. Sorry for the lighting, guys. So you just get this, make sure it sits. Let me zoom in and see if we can catch the little plastic. The lighting is pretty bad. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so it has to sit properly behind that plastic piece there in order for the other one to lock in place. So let's fix the camera angle. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we went ahead and reassembled that bottom light. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the top one, which is just these two plugs. Go back in. Sure they snap. Now set it in place. Okay, now you get your metal inserts, slide them in. Make sure you lock them. And there we go. You're ready. Okay, so I'll be showing the before and after soon.